Well, we ended up spending a few extra days in Chiang Mai, didn't we?
Yeah, it was nice.
It was
Don't mind.
nice. But it was not what we do. So it was, it was really lovely, and the hotel we stayed at was beautiful. But it felt like we were cheating, to me. I don't know what it felt like to you.
I enjoyed taking it a bit slow and actually exploring and enjoying the surroundings rather than just passing through them. The first night we had a really bad sleep. The place looked really nice, welcoming, clean, spacious, pleasant, but the bed was just so painfully uncomfortable that next morning I woke up weeping.
Yeah.
I was in pain, I couldn't have any rest, so we decided to just quickly check out, move to a different place. What?
I sprang into action,
Yes,
didn't I?
You did. Saved the day and the night.
Yep.
And found this other place which was close enough to the other one, so we are still in the old town of Chiang Mai on a quiet back lane. Love these little lanes.
Yeah. We'll see them when we leave, because we'll put the video on.
Yeah, and it was much better, but that led to the decision of staying an extra night. And then David's bike played up.
My bike decided to, it really likes having the back brake on.
All the time.
So we called Zip Bikes in Bangkok, and it was a Sunday, so nothing's open in Thailand on the Sunday. It's their weekend. So we leave today, and we are going where?
We're going to Pai. We start the Mae Hong Son loop.
Yeah.
We're not going to do it as a full loop because we're not coming back to Chiang Mai, but we're going to do the upper half.
Which is the fun half, apparently, anyway.
That's the fun half, and it's just hundreds and hundreds of twisties. Apparently you can't do more than 30, 40 an hour, so that's going to be interesting. The map says 3 hours for
150 kilometers?
50 kilometers
Something.
approximately. We'll see when we get there. So we really take it in small bits, and we go only up to Pai, stay there tonight. We're not going to have long stays from this point on. So next week, it's going to be mostly go, go, go. We'll see how we feel.
We'll see how we feel.
That's the good thing
we might
about
decide
it.
to stay somewhere a little bit longer.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is...
Leaving Chiang Mai. I like Chiang Mai.
I like Chiang Mai too.
That's a surprising thing.
Yeah. It was really lovely. It was, we could spend some serious time here.
Yeah. And that's the thing. I don't think we would actually experience and discover that we like a place unless we stay long enough. If we only stay one day, there is no way to decide. There is no way to see what we like about it or what we dislike about it, unless it's just that first gut feeling that, I don't want to stay here any longer.
Yeah.
But otherwise, so reserve time for spaces. There are a lot of expats in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
And you can see that in the, what do you call those places where you eat on the street? Those little
night markets.
It's like food courts in the open air.
Yeah. But now,
off to Pai.
Off to Pai. That's good.
We are in Pai. We
with its
made it.
with its very unusual room
Jumbo.
decoration.
Is it Jumbo?
Dumbo.
Dumbo. Dumbo.
The road was magnificent. I mean, all twisties, these spectacular views. Few behind us, but
That's the problem with famous roads. All the want to take it, like us, really. There were a couple of really aggressive ones. I mean, sports cars doing high speed on the twisties.
yeah,
Everyone just pushing bikes around, and I've lost my cool. Let's call it the cool.
you know when Dharma's angry when she swears in Hungarian.
Yeah.
I mean, like there was that a local guy pushing you, or was that a?
I don't know. It was a big four-wheel drive, and it was so close up my tail, going tight twisties downhill, and you just feel sandwiched between a tight corner and the bumper of the car behind you. So you have to adjust your speed to the car so that they don't run you over, rather than adjusting the speed to what's ahead of you, and constantly keeping an eye front and back, and it was just nerve-wracking. And I ended up swearing, and I just had to let them go somehow because it was just too much.
A couple of once I came across two Farang riders riding big Harleys on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
So that was fun. So we're here for the night. Tomorrow we head off to Mahonson. So
I think this was just a taste of what is yet
we
to
don't know.
come.
We don't know. I do know there'll be less traffic there tomorrow because yet all the people coming up to Pai and then going back.
Hopefully.
So hopefully there'll be
Yeah.
less traffic on the road tomorrow. So I guess we'll go and have a swim in the pool and maybe find a beer. And we'll
Sleep
see.
with Dumbo.
Oh,
And the video kiss.
she wasn't in the video kiss.
Yeah, the video throwing up. Kiss me.